dimple,
dimple,
dimple.
Tou beauté, tou nan jou.
the dimple makes her look more beautiful.
Tou beauté a fel pi bel.
Pimple,
pimple,
Pimple.
Bouton,
Jack has pimples on his face.
Jacques genyen bouton nan figil.
Freckles,
freckles,
Freckles.
Tache, tache sou kor moun.
his face is full of freckles.
Figil li plen tache.
Mole,
mole,
Mole.
Ti bouton noir, marque ou bien tache noire.
the moles aren't too dark.
Bouton ou bien tache noire yo pa tro foncé.
Wrinkle,
wrinkle,
Wrinkle.
Pli,
everyone sees the wrinkles around her eyes.
tout moun wè pli yo bozye li.
Scar,
scar,
Scar.
Marque, sikatris.
the wound is healed but the scar remains.
Blesi a geri, men sikatris la rete.
Birthmark,
birthmark,
Birthmark.
Marque naissance, foi, envie.
Julie has a birthmark on her face.
Julie genyen yon marque naissance nan figi li.
Stretch mark,
stretch mark,
Stretch mark.
Marque petite,
pregnant women always have stretch mark on their stomach.
femme enceinte toujou genyen marque petite sou vant yo.
Wound,
wound,
Wound.
Blesi,
he forgot to bandage the wound.
li te bliye bande blesi ya.